Alright, so here's a little trick that I just figured out. I have this funnel system here that has an on-off, but when I try to fill the transmission fluid, it's still impossible to get this funnel lined up so that way it'll drain right. This cap actually fits this perfectly. So just pop this on here. It's snug. That's open, so that's closed. Now, you just go right up to here, to your transmission fluid spot. Stick that in. I can rest this up here on this crossbar, and then we can open it like so, and guess what? Squeeze our fluid in, and just gotta let the air get inside the, but definitely much neater. That's it. Then when you're done, I can just close it and pull it back out and get to the next quart. All right. Hope you like that little tip. I bought this at AutoZone. It was like $4.99. So I'm sure you can find it on Amazon. Maybe I'll find it on Amazon and put a link to it. But yeah, super easy. Alright, hope you like this tip. Thanks for watching.